Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donut yeeps from scratch. We will go through each step, ensuring you create perfect, fluffy treats every time. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Precise measurements are key for a successful dough. Now let's get our hands a little messy. Combine your wet and dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want a smooth, elastic dough. Place it in a greased bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter and a 1-inch smaller cutter for the centers to create your classic donut shapes. Carefully place these on parchment-lined baking sheets. Now, cover them loosely and let them rise for a second time, for about 30 to 45 minutes until visibly puffy. The moment of truth. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain briefly, and then immediately glaze or toss in sugar while still warm for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.